All right, we have a lot of cornstarch in here, so that's why we want to make sure that we constantly stir. Now, some of this will stick to the bottom, but if we keep stirring, then it's not going to scorch. All right, our shrimp are just about done, so we'll go ahead and prepare our garnish. Just going to take a scallion and cut it in pieces, and then we're going to pull off the leaves of some cilantro. All right, we're going to give our shrimp another stir. We can see, pulling them out, they're all nice and pink. So these are done. So we're going to turn our heat off. We come back and check our rice. And our liquid is all evaporated, so that's ready to go. Nice scoop of rice here in the back. And then we're going to pull out our shrimp. And we're going to get our sauce. Very thick, a very complex mixture of flavors here. And we're going to top with our scallions and the sprigs of our cilantro. So here we have cilantro rice with shrimp cooked with black beans, ginger, garlic, jalapenos, shiitake mushrooms, oyster sauce, and sherry wine.